So let's say you want to add music from an external website like SoundCloud, for example, or even Mixcloud. So I can do that by clicking Add here, and then I can go to what's called the Embed. And over here, there's actually a preset for SoundCloud. So let's try that real quickly. And we've got a SoundCloud player in here. And all I need to do is when I click on the settings, I need to change the embed code link here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my SoundCloud, and I'm just going to click share here, and I'm going to click on the embed tab, and I'm going to take this and I'm going to copy it. Now there's a few different styles of embedding here, so you can choose whichever style makes most sense for you. I'm just going to use the first one. And then I'm going to paste the embed code here, and I'm going to click confirm, and it's going to paste the player like how it was shown just now. I'm going to add a Mixcloud link onto the page using the HTML iframe. And so here I've got to enter the code, and I'm going to click on my Mixcloud page. I'm going to click the share button, embed player, and then there's a few options here as well. So let's try the classic widget, and I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to paste the code here, press apply, and we've got the Mixcloud link. So options to add music from external music providers.